we'll look through some of these names. But before we delve into the details as to why the benchmark is underperforming just a tad bit, let's also pull up the line chart, because that will give you a sense of how it has moved through the day. We started out with a gap between the advances and the declines, and the advances favored, of course, but we've closed that mark quite considerably, more or less even Stevens at this point, if at all shaded just in favor of the declines. Now, what are the factors that might be in play right now, at least for the benchmark indices are concerned? And guys, come into this as well, right? So today, of course, is Sensex Expiry. That might have something to do with the volatility. But something that you've been marking, Sharad, on an ongoing basis, right? Where even a couple of weeks back, or at the start of last week, you had foreign institutions that were net short to over 90% on the index. That has moved to just around about 80%, right? And so short covering has come through that might actually have pushed the markets higher. So the buying that you're seeing is not necessarily driven by the fundamentals. It is covering that has come through.
Well,
so
yes, that's true. And RSI numbers also, right now we just got the numbers from Somit, it's at 75. It shows it's oversold. So there is a kind of a technical pullback which we are seeing, and it's actually good for the markets as well, that some kind of a profit booking is happening. Of course, the European markets and the global cues are also, very mixed and a volatile sessions. It's not that, the globally markets are doing really well, but nevertheless, this short covering rally has pushed the benchmark indices in the green over the last 4 to 5 sessions.